Hello there, welcome back to my quirky kitchen. Today's recipe is a very quick and nutritious mixed vegetable soup. You will need a bowl of any mixed vegetables of your choice. I've even taken the stems of cauliflower which we usually do not use. 1 red bell pepper. 1/4 cup peeled bottle gourd or Lauki. Yes, you heard it right, it is Lauki. But do not worry about the taste, you're not going to find any traces of it in the soup. But you're surely going to make your mother very happy and proud. 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, salt to taste, black pepper to taste, oil and water as required. Put all the vegetables in a pressure cooker. Add the bottle gourd and garlic. Add water till it covers all the vegetables. Cover the lid and cook on high flame for up to 3 whistles. In the meantime, coat the bell pepper with some oil. Put a fork in it and roast the bell pepper directly on the stove on low to medium flame. Keep turning at regular intervals. Switch off the stove after 3 whistles. Now place any bowl on the pepper. This helps the burnt skin of the pepper to peel off easily. Remove the bowl and peel off the burnt skin. Add all the contents to a mixer bowl. Blend till you get a smooth puree like this. Add the puree to a pan and adjust the salt and pepper according to your taste. You can add some more water to adjust the consistency of the soup. Let the soup gently simmer for a few minutes. And voila, your super flavorful and nutritious soup is ready to serve. Serve the soup piping hot and garnish with a drizzle of olive oil and parsley. I have coriander, so I've just decorated it with some coriander. You can also add some cream or butter or anything that you like. This recipe is a complete meal in itself if you serve it with a toasted bread of your choice. I hope you liked the recipe. Please give it a try and let me know in the comment section how it works for you. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more updates from my channel. Please like, share and subscribe to my quirky kitchen. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.